मुमताज़ है, मेरे हस्बैंड का नाम लाजर है, 6 बच्चे ने मेरे, 2 बेटे 4 बेटियां और मेरे सुसर ने। असी 9 घर दे जी हाँ। बहुत मुश्किल होण डया जदों दा करोना, साडा कारोबार नहीं गा, बहुत परेशानी है सानू आ मशीन दित्ती है, इहदे वसीला नाल साडा बहुत काम अच्छा चलेगा। रोज़ दा सी मैं एक सिलाई सूट भी कर लांगी ना, तो फिर भी सानू चलो साडा कुछ ना कुछ घर दा राशन पानी दा खर्चा चलेगा।
My heart is really full of joy to tell you how Grace Network is impacting lives in interior Sindh. This family during COVID-19, we met them, and as we were distributing food packages, we saw them how their life is miserable and how people are starving because of not having much food and because of not having good facility, working facility. The poverty struck them and their children could not go to the school, and they were in very miserable situation. So we thank God for Brother Danish Peter, who took the decision to develop the marginalized community, to develop who are destitute, to bring them hope in their lives. I want to tell you, this is going to impact a lot of great impact in their lives, and I'm going to tell you that how this will help them. Today we are giving them swing machine, so our dear sister, she will be swing the suits and she'll be helping her husband, and they will have more income in their family to support their children, as they have 6 children. They have a grandfather in their house, and they both like 9 family members, and together husband and wife, they will be able to help their children, help this family, earn money, send them in schools, and to develop their family in this society.
मैं पादरी दानिश पीटर शुक्रिया अदा करनी हाँ कि उन्होंने साड़ी बहुत मदद की थी। खुदा उन्होंने बरकत दे।
In coming years, we will see a lot of things happening in the lives. Your support, your help is really appreciated. You are standing beside Grace Network. That's why God is changing lives here. That's why we are able to reach people. That's why we are able to help people. That's why we are uplifting our community. Keep us in your prayers. Keep Brother Danish Peter, keep Grace Network team in Sindh, overall in Pakistan, in your prayers, and keep supporting us so we may reach many people. There are many more in villages who are starving because of hunger. Their children cannot go to school, but with your support we can do a lot more. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless Grace Network team.